here we sit, camphosting at Toll Bridge County Park. I'm just sitting in my chair, watching my dog. Can you see her under there in the shade? She's sleeping behind that thing. And then of course Lori is. What are you doing over there?
Making a sign with our name.
Here's your sign.
She's making a sign with our name. How about I go in and make some lunch with our name?
Have fun.
Well, that didn't work. Usually she tells me to stay out of the kitchen. Dang. So you still over here playing?
Yeah, I'm gonna get ready to do lunch though in a minute. I just wanted to get it all outlined, and now I'm just checking out how it's working out with my Dremel.
So this is going to be our camphosting sign?
Yeah, it's our name sign for wherever we are. That's why I'm not putting camp post or anything on it.
Gotcha.
Tom and Lori will go out front.
Gotcha. That's cool. You're so talented.
Thank you. Since we have a nice sunny day for a change, thought I'd get out here and do this. I finished. There's our sign.
There's our sign to hang
Well,
up.
all right.
Out there with our camp post.
Oh, my sign. I don't want to lose
So it
it.
looks pretty good
Thank you.
from what you were carving out the other day.
Yep. It's our final product.
That's a hell of a job.
Thank you. Was it somebody had asked me, one of our guests that came by, he says, you make those all the time? I said, no, this is my first one. Oh, wow.
How much was he going to pay?
Yeah, I don't know.
The answer would have been, how much you got?
$1 million.